Bay windows are one of the most eye-catching upgrades you can make to your home in Rowlett. They add space, bring in beautiful natural light, and enhance curb appeal instantly. But like any major home improvement, the success of your bay window project depends heavily on proper installation. Unfortunately, certain mistakes during installation can lead to drafts, leaks, structural issues, and costly repairs. The good news? These problems are completely avoidable when you know what to look for and work with the right professionals. Here are some of the most common bay window installation mistakes in Rowlett, and how to avoid them. Improper measurements. One of the most frequent issues starts before installation even begins: inaccurate measurements. Bay windows extend outward from your home, which means precise measurements are critical. If the window opening isn't measured correctly, the unit may not fit securely. Even small gaps can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and reduced energy efficiency. How to avoid it? Always rely on professional measurements. Experienced installers account for framing, structural support, and the exact projection needed for your bay window to fit perfectly. Inadequate structural support. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows are heavier and project outward from the home. Without proper structural support, they can sag over time. In Rowlett, where seasonal weather changes can cause materials to expand and contract, inadequate support can eventually lead to frame separation or damage to surrounding walls. How to avoid it? Ensure your installer uses proper support brackets, cables, or reinforced framing. A qualified contractor will assess your home's structure before installation to confirm it can handle the added weight. Poor sealing and insulation. Improper sealing is one of the biggest mistakes homeowners face after installation. If the window isn't sealed tightly, drafts and moisture can seep in. Rowlett's hot summers and occasional storms make proper sealing especially important. Water intrusion can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and damage to interior finishes. How to avoid it? Professional installation should include high-quality flashing, insulation, and weatherproof sealants. After installation, inspect for visible gaps and confirm the window is airtight. Ignoring energy efficiency. Some homeowners focus solely on aesthetics and overlook energy performance. Installing a beautiful bay window without energy-efficient glass can lead to higher cooling costs, especially in Rowlett's warm climate. Large glass surfaces can increase solar heat gain if not properly insulated. How to avoid it? Choose double or triple pane glass with low E coatings and insulating gas fills. These features reduce heat transfer while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. Skipping professional installation. DIY installation may seem like a cost-saving option, but bay windows are complex. They require precise alignment, structural reinforcement, and expert sealing techniques. Improper installation can void manufacturer warranties and result in expensive repairs later. How to avoid it? Hire experienced, licensed professionals familiar with bay window installation in Rowlett. A skilled installer ensures your window is level, secure, and properly sealed. Overlooking exterior finishing details. A bay window should look seamless from both inside and outside your home. Poorly finished trim, mismatched siding, or inadequate roofing around the projection can affect both appearance and durability. How to avoid it? Work with contractors who pay attention to exterior detailing. Proper trim work and finishing protect against weather damage and enhance curb appeal. Protecting your investment. Bay windows are a valuable upgrade that adds beauty, space, and light to your Rowlett home. Avoiding common installation mistakes ensures you fully enjoy those benefits for years to come. By choosing energy-efficient materials, ensuring structural support, and relying on professional installation, you can protect your investment and avoid costly issues. When done right, a bay window becomes a stunning, long-lasting feature that enhances comfort, performance, and value, without the headaches of preventable mistakes.